Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tuturuan ko guys kung paano magawa ito. So pero bago yan, tanggalin muna natin. Aray ko. Tanggalin muna natin.
I'll give this letter to you. The envelope says, to Xiaoya, personally. I quickly opened the letter. It's Grandma's handwriting. After she got sick, her eyesight became poor. I can only write by feeling my way.
Banana
The
clip yung
handwriting varies in
ginagamit ko
size.
guys.
Xiaoya, my dear granddaughter,
Ganyan lang siya.
you are a
Pero
smart child.
yung mga iba,
When you read this
so
letter,
kailangan nyo
you'll
siguro kung
probably
wala
know the
kayong
secret
mga
that
iba
you
kasi
have.
banana
You are a
clip.
child of
Pero
misfortune.
yan, ito yung tawag din eh. Tapos
So young and
or
already
kaya
without
ponytail.
parents.
So
Living
yung
under
first
someone
step
else's
kasi
roof with
guys,
Grandma.
is susuklay
Grandma
mo
wants to be
muna
good to
yung
you, but
buhok
can't.
mo.
Your second uncle and aunt's character.
Mapos.
Grandma knows better than
Parang
anyone.
mag-iipit
If
ka
Grandma
ng
treats you well,
ngiti.
they'll see you as a thorn in their side. Grandma
Ay
is
guys,
too old.
tatalikod
She
ako
can't
para
protect you.
makita niyo.
Grandma doesn't dare to gamble, so you'll have to endure these cameos. Grandma has left them all to you. I've already set
Kunin
it
nyo to
aside.
guys.
The will and
Dapat
notarization
yung
are with
maliliit
Photoshop.
na
The
ganyan
factory in
yung
the south of the city has been included in the environmental protection red line zone. The company is required to rectify within a deadline. The factory upgrade is estimated to cost $8 million. Lakeside Villa. The lakeside location has caused the foundation to sink. The government has already declared it a dangerous building. Relocation and resettlement would require an additional $500,000. Make sure you remember this information. Don't be soft-hearted when necessary. Don't hold on to the cheap out. Sell it and cash out as soon as possible. Don't feel bad. You can't keep it anyway.
ulitin ko guys.
People shouldn't be slaves to money. Money is a skill to have, not a burden to crush you. You're a girl. It's much harder for girls to live in this world than it is for men. No one has your back, and there's no clear path ahead. Obstacles are everywhere. Grandma can't be with you forever, but these cameos will ensure you live comfortably for the rest of your life. Xiaoya, remember, all the grievances you've endured since childhood. Don't rely on blood relatives. Once people turn bad, their hearts are crueler than wolves. Always keep a way out for yourself. Preserve your dignity and survival. Don't say anything. From now on, live well on your own. Don't blame Grandma. Don't hate your second uncle and them. Your heart should embrace a bigger world. Xiaoya, from childhood to now, no matter how much grievance you endure, you never fight back. If you don't fight, Grandma will fight for you. At the end of the letter, it was signed by your uncle
Isa-side
and
ko
Grandma
to.
Xingyu. I tightly held the letter paper in my hand.
Pero
Tears
bago
welled
yan,
up in my
ginaganyan
eyes.
ko.
She had made countless preparations for me. She left
Wait lang guys,
and
ulitin
old
ko
Chong
ah.
Sam, he had built
And
up over
guys,
half his
tapos
life
ko
in the
na,
antique and auction
naayos
world.
ko na
In the most discreet way,
Now,
he
next
contacted
yung
top
bounce,
international
isa-side
jewelry
lang
appraisers
ganyan.
and several
Tapos
private
makikita
collectors
mo
never
may
hear
ganyan.
from.
Basta
20 cameos.
i-split
Each one
niya
has
na
been
lang.
authoritatively authenticated. When the appraiser took the
Kahit
cameos
di
out of the safe,
pantay.
he was wearing brand new gloves. Even his
Ayan.
breathing was deliberately light. On the day the appraisal results came
Kahit,
out,
kahit
Uncle
anong
Chen
kulay na
personally
star o kaya kahit anong
Xiaoya,
clip.
every Chong Sam your grandmother left
Basta
behind
yung
is
gusto
made
nyong
with the lost art of gold thread
gamitin.
embroidery,
Yun lang.
which is inherently valuable.
Huwag
Not to
niyong
mention these
igaganon
top-tier
guys ha.
tools. Just
Dapat
these 20
yung
Chong Sams
talagang
alone are
masikip
worth
ha.
$100 million. Later, your grandmother added for you gold thread patterns, gold thread embroidery, and gold thread buttons are even more densely packed. I employed 35 appraisers, spent half a month to count them all. Every gemstone on each cheek
Dapat meron siyang ganyan guys.
A total of 300 ice jadeite stones were
Kaya
sewn.
ano.
100 premium purple jadeite stones. Each piece is hidden pattern. Is covered with 1 carat diamonds.
Pinasama to.
A total of 38,000 diamonds.
Ayan.
180 top-grade pigeon blood rubies. 700 South Sea pearls. I drove back to
Yung
interrupt
parang
Uncle Chen.
pataas
My voice
siya.
was calmer
Parang
than I
ganun lang.
expected. Uncle Chen,
Basta
just tell me
guys.
directly. How much
Ito
did
na
these
yung
cameos sell for
pangatlo,
altogether?
diba?
There was a few seconds of silence on the other end of the line. Conservatively estimated, not less than 330 million. My hand holding the
Tapos
phone started
itong
to tremble.
kasama na
The
to.
figure of over 300
Nandito
million
yung
made my head
sa
spin.
isasama
Grandma
ko
had
to
kept
guys
these
ha.
priceless cameos, hanging piece by piece in the old wardrobe. Once the door is closed,
Wait lang.
they become a
Balik ko.
pile of outdated, space-taking junk. Second aunt came to rummage and disdainfully tossed them aside. Keep this junk. Grandma held the chomp sam close to her chest. She doesn't dare to show. Those gold-threaded gems, jade, and
tapos na.
pearls that quietly sleep in the darkness
So,
of the
ito lang
wardrobe. She
yung-
lets the whole family treat her as
Pero
a
kung
biased,
gusto niyo
mean,
mapag-add
and stingy
dito ng
old
isa,
lady.
mag-add
She
ka.
lets them count money in the living room.
Pero ako mag-add, wait lang,
Dining
kukunin ko
table,
muna.
arguing over food that after she
Ayan guys, naglahat ko na. Pinlastic ko lang kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Ewan ko. Ang daming pink. Atot. Ito na lang. So, teal siya guys ha. Magkaiba yan oh. Dalawa lang. Sakto lang. Dalawa lang yung dito ko. Ay. Kulang pala. Kanina kasi wala. Kaso, I decided na pinabaliktad ko. Meron pa akong isa. Kasi, tatlo ko na lang kaya. Tapos isang pink. Ari ko.
The transfer of the lakeside villa is complete. The factory ownership contract has also been changed. Second F posted a video in the family group of second uncle signing a contract with someone. Old Joe secured another $1 million deal.
So, ito na yung sa harap. Parang medyo siyang zigzag. Tapos yung sa likod.
From now on, our family will
Pero yung kung wala kayong ganito, mag-order na yan kayo.
Grandma loved me the most when she was
Sa TikTok, search nyo lang banana clip. Tapos kung di pa kayo nakapag-order or nag-order na kayo, tapos next week or next day, walang dadating. So, yung gawin nyo, ibubuhol ko na nga. Ibuhol ko ng iyan. Hindi ako marunong ibuhol lang. Yung gawin mo, ipuntil nyo muna. Okay lang guys. Pero yung para sa akin, mas maganda yung banana. Mas madali siyang, ay mas maganda pa siya sa ponytail.
Hello mo. Bukas na lang to.
Ngayon na! Umapakabit dyan. Kabit mo na lang yun dyan.
Kwentuhan, tulog na yan.
Cute. Cute. Tsaka clean yung dito niya. Kawin yung dito niya. Tsaka feeling gagamitin ko rin ito bukas sa nepahisi. So, papiramin ko muna ito for maybe 5 days. And then, babalik ko na sa ate ko kasi sabi ko, banana clip yan. Kasi, sabi niya, try ko muna daw bago ko daw bibilhin. Kaya, sabi ko, sige. Sabi niya, pili ka dito, anong color. Tapos sabi ko, ikaw na lang, te. Sabi niya, black na lang. Kaya yung binigay niya sa akin, black, dalawa kasi sa kanya. Yung isa para siyang tiger or ano ata, ewan ko guys. So yun lang. Bye-bye.